Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can label Gmail emails using your N8N. So the first thing that you will do is make sure that your Google account is properly connected to N8N with OAuth permissions. And this will help you automate your inbox and stay organized. And after you open your N8N, what you will do is create a new workflow, and then you will just have to add a Gmail trigger, and then if you want this automation to run whenever new emails arrive. If you want to test manually, you can skip the trigger and just add a Gmail node. And after that, you will add a Gmail node and choose the operation add label. And then you will just have to connect your Gmail credentials or create a new ones using OAuth. And next, in the label name field, you will either choose an existing label or type a new one. And if your screen looks slightly different, you can just check if the Gmail node version is updated. And Gmail nodes were redesigned in 2024 to 2025. And after that, you will just have to connect the trigger node to your Gmail node so the workflow runs properly. And finally, just you will just have to click execute no workflow to test it. And if it's successful, you will just have to uh and by the way, the selected email will get the label you specified. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.